Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be measuring some dimensions here to make a radiator shroud and intake snorkel bracket. Just going to go to Home Depot, see what we can find. I don't actually know of any steel shops around here. I heard there are really good ones here, but I've never been there, so if I can't find anything, then I'll look it up and we'll go to an actual steel place, metal place. If I can find something there, then we'll just do it what we can get. What else? Oh yeah, maybe I will show you guys how I take these off today. And maybe get them painted. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're looking at this spot to this spot. We're going to overestimate so that we can have material to work with. So that's like 8 inches. And then this port to this point is 29 inches right there. So we're going to do 8 by 29. And then we need our bracket material to be at least a foot long. Let's put our snow on. Okay. So do a foot by it's like an inch and an inch. So at least a 1 foot and then an inch and an inch in each direction, or 1.5 inches too. Alright, so we're going to try to make this as painless as possible. Not going to make it any harder than it needs to be. This is the angle aluminum Everbuilt 1 1/4 by 1/16, 48 inches. This was $10. It's pretty long. I only need 12 inches or so of it. So I think it's going to be perfect because it's a 1 1/4 inch, which is way more than I need, but the perfect amount to be able to touch both sides. I'm going to measure it from this point, the end point right there, to the end point of this side, and mark it, then cut it off, and then adjust, readjust. Alright, there we go.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. 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 you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Alright, so this is what I have so far. This little corner here is touching this piece here. So I'm gonna do a little pie cut here. It looks really good. Should be able to line it up. There it is right there. Damn, perfect. Look at those holes line up. And once I get this cut, it should fit really well. Boom, right there. Let's go ahead and mark that. Just like that. Okay, so this is the bracket that I created. It's not the best looking one, but dude, it's functional. And I mean, it's not even bad looking with the little aluminum finish. Let's go try to install it in the car. Yeah. Replace all the old hardware with the newer matching hardware. Right there. And we're gonna do it step by step and see if we can't get this done. Alright, so there it is installed. Sits perfectly. Follows the edge of this line perfectly. These are tight in there. Completely mounted. And should hold. And it doesn't look too bad. Maybe I'll round this off right here. Or like make it kind of angled, but it doesn't bother me. Maybe try to do something fancy with that. If not, I'll just leave that how it is. It's functioning how it should. That's its only job, is to hold the snorkel to the radiator shroud. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.